Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. We all want healthy plants and vegetables in our kitchen garden. And to achieve it, we need good soil. So in today's video, I'll be telling you how you can prepare your garden soil with many manures and where to use it. You can use this while planting any new plant, repotting your plants, or simply as a manure. Now, to achieve your healthy plant, you must know what are the essential soil nutrients. The most essential soil nutrients are NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen is important for leafy vegetables, phosphorus for tubers and root vegetables, and potassium for all fruiting and all flowering and veggies. This soil that you are seeing is old garden soil. Make sure you let this soil sun dry for 1 week. We majorly have 4 types of soil in India: sandy, silty, clayey and loamy. Out of this, loamy soil is the best soil. This doesn't mean that you cannot grow plants in other soil. You will just need to work a little more. Now let me tell you what my mom is mixing in these. First, my mom is mixing turmeric powder as a fungicide. Then she added eggshells for calcium. Then she added banana peel for potassium. Then tea leaf compost for nitrogen. And kitchen waste compost for all kinds of micro and macronutrients. Instead of this turmeric, you can also use neem leaf powder. Then after mixing, make sure to store it in a container. And time to time, make sure to spray some bioenzyme in it. Make sure to always keep it moist, or over time it will lose all of its nutritional purposes. You can use it as a soil while repotting or while planting new plants. Or simply use it as a manure like my mom is using it right now. And believe me or not, she's been using this manure all this time to get these healthy plants. Your plant will also have a very less chance of getting attacked by fungus or insects because it is organic and homemade. If you also are thinking of doing some organic gardening, then make sure to check our channel, because we have uploaded many videos on this. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.